to reject Buddha's own teaching. As the Buddha taught, according the audience, certain their mental disposition. Therefore, he taught different philosophical views out of his infinite love and wisdom, judging audience mental disposition. He taught different philosophical views. So mainly within the Buddha Dharma, the Vivasek school of thought, Sautrantic school of thought, Chitta Mantra school of thought, then Madhyamika school of thought. So all come from same teacher, Buddha Shakyamuni. So therefore, you see, in philosophical field, there are differences, even within the Buddha Dharma. So this very helpful, you see, to learn. Oh, humanity. There are so many different mental dispositions. Therefore, we need different sort of philosophical views. So all major world religious tradition. I usually used to make, the three aspects. Number one aspect of all major religious tradition, religion, aspect of religion, dharma. Here, all carry teaching of karuna, compassion, love, forgiveness, tolerance, contentment, self-discipline. All major religious tradition carry same message. So all major world religious tradition have same potential to serve, to help humanity. We can see wonderful people come from these different traditions, really dedicated people, like such as late Mother Teresa. Wonderful. Because of their faith, their tradition, carry teaching, practice of love, and serving other people. The second aspect of this tradition, philosophy. Now there is big differences, as I mentioned earlier. Even within the Buddha Dharma, there are different sort of school of thought. So basically, the theistic religion, whose main faith is Creator. Then ancient one of the branch of Sankhyaism and Jainism and Buddhism, no such idea, no creator, rather self-creation. So there's big differences. But doesn't matter. Purpose of these different philosophy is same. Is to bring firm conviction about love, about compassion. So the theistic religion, the very reason the concept of creator is everyone created by such creator. So the very nature of that creator is infinite love. So according to the theistic religion, I think as far as I know, most of the theistic religion, just one life. This very life created by Creator, which is infinite love. So, Creator, God, like our Father. We all, 7 billion human beings, all children of that infinite love. That brings a strong sort of the will. Oh, I must be compassionate child of God. Wonderful. Very helpful. So all these, and then those non-theistic religion, no God, no creator, but ourselves are the creator. So everything depends on one's own shoulder. 그래서 Buddha said that tumnumdibu tijlada, tumnumdibu chuim을 시서디.
The Buddha said that the sages or the Buddhas do not wash away the sins of sentient beings. Nor do they remove the suffering of sentient beings, and nor do they shift their own realizations into others, but only by teaching the truth do they lead sentient beings to liberation.
So, therefore, you see, Buddha, in a way, you see, all responsibility put on our own shoulder. So, that is a concept of philosophy. I mean, that concept come philosophy, law of causality, cause and effect, cause and effect. So the concept of karma, all our sort of experience, you see, due to our own karma. So if you create good karma, you get benefit. If you create negative karma, you have to face consequences. So that way of approach, to some people, very, very effective. So now, positive karma or negative karma, no absolute karma or karma. Therefore, according to the situation, any action which brings happiness to other, that's good karma. Any action to bring uncomfortable other, that's a negative karma. So the foundation of demarcation, good and bad, is must related with our experiences. Because we want a happy life, happiness, joyful. Nobody, including insect, do not want suffering or pain. So any action causing pain is negative. Any action causing happiness, that is positive. So good karma, bad karma, judging on that basis. So that's very good. That kind of teaching, you are your own master. So you should be more compassionate. Don't harm other. If possible, serve others. Serve, help them. If not, at least restrain harming others. So that's those non-theistic religious sort of way of approach. So very good. So to some people, that way of approach is more effective. To some people, the concept of creator is more effective. So therefore, there are different philosophical views. Philosophy itself contradiction each other, but same purpose. So no problem. So therefore, religious harmony is very, very possible. All major religious tradition, same message of love, and used in different philosophy, same goal. So no problem. I am Buddhist monk, and I am student of Nalendra masters. So I learned all those sort of serious argument between Buddhist master and non-Buddhist master. So as a student, so I know you see these things. But then judging, the main message, religious side, you see all same. So I genuinely, sincerely respect all major religious tradition. Then third aspect, that is culture or certain habit. That I do not consider the teaching of religion. That's mainly influenced by social habit, social system. Now the subject, social justice, right?
No, social justice.
Social justice. Now, what do you call low caste, Dalit or something. Now that I don't think come from true, the real religion. Religion is teaching us practice of love. Some discrimination, that's, I think, influence from this